morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Chukwuyushin. I'm from Enugu State and I reside in Port Harcourt. In today's video, we'll be talking about analysis on gold. Gold have been so crazy since yesterday. Gold have been on a strong bearish move. So in today's video, we'll be looking for opportunity of the market because we can see that automatically the market have changed from bullish to bearish, from buying to selling. Now, before we start trading or we come to our chart, we normally go to 4 hours to 1 day to see the general trend of the market. So in our 4 hours 1 day time frame, in our daily time frame, we can see that the market is in a range. So that is the only thing we can see in our daily time frame, that the market is on a strong range. So now the only thing we are looking for now is opportunity to take part inside this range in our lower time frame. So if we go down to lower time frame, so we can see that the market is not in a range, but inside this range the market is on a bearish move for some hours of today. So now, reading the present market structure, we can see that the market is on a strong bullish trend. So reaching to this area from this present trend, higher high, higher low, equal low, lower high, higher high. Now it came here and break out for this and break the structure. So here, break of structure. Change of character in this lower time frame. It came here and changed the character. The market came here and started ranging. So after the ranging, it came and broke out from the range. That means it have changed from selling to buying. So after here, we have a mini break of structure here. After this break of structure, the market retreats and tested the area that the market have pulled back from, and and the market also have a break of structure here. Market also have a break of structure here. This is in our 4 hours. If you have a break of structure here, so after that, the market is trying to take in base here. So now, as this is the highest high so far, so we are looking for the lower low. So since all this while market was on a tight range, in which we indicated it in our last analysis, it was in a tight range, after the tight range, it came and retested our sell zone as we indicate in our former analysis. It came and retested on our sell zone, tap into the sell zone, since all this why the market is down. So now, and I can see that the market is resting in a strong support zone. That's where the market is resting in our 4 hours. So what we can do here is that we will check our Fibonacci to know where, as this market is retracing, as this market is selling to the upside now, where it will sell and it will start turning back. So that is what we will be looking for. So now we'll be looking for opportunities of the market to where we can sell, because the market is in a bearish move now. So where we can sell to. So now I can see that the market is coming back, selling from here to this spot. So now the area that is always reliable is 0.2 is not always reliable. 0.3 Fibo is not always reliable, but I will use only 0.5 and 0.6. So in our 0.5 and 0.6, this is where we can see our 0.5 field level is here, 0.6 field level also. This is 0.6 field level. Our 0.6 field level is here. So that is the area we were looking to. We are looking for the market to retrace as it's going back now, because it has sell a massive sell. So after a massive sell, there must be pullback. There must be breathing, that the market will breathe before rallying to the before continuing the trend. So now, but we can see that this is a strong bullish engulfing and bullish support zone where the market trade reach before it started going to the upside. So in that case, we are looking for opportunity. So first of all, our first opportunity is here and here, and this is our 4 hours time frame. So now we still go back to 1 hour time frame, because I don't see any opportunity again apart from this area that the market have retested the highest zone. So let us tap it, let us map it, the higher zone in which market have reacted to. So when price of the market reached or get to this zone, so we see how market will react when price get to this zone. So now in our lower time frame, like 1 hour, let's say 1 hour time frame, we can see this, that the market is in a bearish move also, in a strong bearish move. Now higher high after higher low. After here we have a range. So after this range, there's something like a change of character here as we map out. You see, change of character. After the change of character in our 1 hour time frame, after the change of character, we have a break of structure. A break of structure. Okay. We have a break of structure here. A break of structure here. See it. Higher, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now this is lower low. The market broke out from this structure. You can see. So after that, it came down, go up again, retested, a break of structure. You see it to the upside. So after that, market rally to the upside. So now what we are seeing now is that market is trying to recover. So market is trying to recover back again. So now, but what we are seeing now is that as the price of the market now is trying to recover back, so what are we to do? Now we have to draw our Fibo from this lower zone, higher zone to the lower zone in our 1 hour time frame. This is the area we are seeing the market to come to, either this place or this place. in our 4-hour zone. So in this area is still our comfort area to sell from. So now we come to this figure. We mark our figure from the higher side to the lower side. You can see it now. It's showing that the that area we see in our 4 hours is 0.7 fib. So now in our 1 hour time frame, it's showing us where the market will retrace to. Fibor 0.5 is here. Let me borrow this. Okay, Fibor 0.5 is here. This is Fibor 0.5 level. Fibor 0.5 level is here. This is the Fibor 0.5 level. So 0.5, 0.6. Fibor 0.6. Okay, this is the Fibor 0.5, this is the Fibor 0.6. Inside this area is what we will be looking for a sell. If the market push down to the downside, the market push to the upside, we are waiting for a sell in this area. So now entering on buy now is not advisable. So in our lower time frame, that is the only thing we have. So let me make it a zone. And make this area a zone. This is the area we are looking for. Awesome. So if we see price of the market came to this zone and try to come down, give us a change of structure rejection, we sell from this zone. So that is only thing we are seeing for the market to come up, retest this zone and sell to the downside. So what we are seeing is that we want to see price of the market came to this zone. Retest this area. And sell to the downside. And sell to the downside. That is the only thing we are seeing. That is the only opportunity we are seeing in this particular time frame. So in our lower time frame, by 15 minutes or 30 minutes, we can see that the market is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it is also going to create another higher high. So when you create another higher high, higher low. So when you come to this zone, we want to see something like lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, before we can be able to enter. So for this area now, we are still on a bullish trend. So here now it's creating higher high and higher low. and it's still in our Vivo 0.3, which is not reliable. So why is it in our 5-minute time frame? 5-minute time frame, we have something like a the market is the sellers and the buyers are dragging into the market. So came higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Came into this zone, the movement started being boring. So like they'll pull back. If it came to this bottom, pull back to this zone. That means the buyers, the sellers are now entering into the market. The sellers now entering into the market. So in our lower time frame, but the market will still retrace to that upside before we can see any opportunity to buy or to sell to the downside. But now this is not the reliable time to sell. So we'll wait for that particular comfort zone, which is this area. That's where we are waiting for. Now 5 minutes, you can see that the market came and tap and reject. So this area now is where we are looking for the market to come. So you can see that the market did not have any obstacle here. So then the market must push back. No obstacle that can hinder this price of market to not to go to the upside. You can see that the market have pushed to the upside. So nothing can make it not to go up further. No obstacle. You see, no obstacle. So no obstacle. The market is ready to go up. So unless the market decides as it's trying to go up now, this is the highest high now. This is the highest low, lowest low. So the market came back and take out this low. But also here they don't change of character. So that is the only thing we are seeing. So I know this market is not something you use pressure and do. So try to watch from my YouTube channel and share and also comment. So if you want to enroll in our live classes, you can chat me up or WhatsApp me. So thank you and God bless you.